Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today we are going to make this simple part in SolidWorks. This Model Mania part, this is the phase 1. I'll show you. This is the phase 1. And most of the dimensions are given in this view. So this is the best place to start with. This is 12mm radius here, 12mm dia here, 36 dia and 25 radius here. So and 100mm center distance. So let's start with it. I will close this down and I will start a new part. Okay, on the right plane I will start a circle of 36mm, another circle like so, and I will make another circle of 12mm here and another circle like that, but I will not give the dimensions because they given in the drawing the radius, not the diameter. So I will follow the drawing, and this is it. I will trim this extra with the power trim, and this. Now I will give the dimension of 25mm here and 12mm here. Center distance is 100mm. Okay, but it is not fully defined. It's still moving upward and downward, and because there is no relation we given, so I will give it a relation here of horizontal like so. It's fully defined now. Let's extrude it up to 60mm. Mid plane, I will take mid plane and click yes. Okay, now I will shell it. I will select this face and this face and give it 8mm wall thickness. Okay, now I will go for fillet, constant size fillet of 5mm. I will select through faces like this and this. Okay, again the fillet, but this time full round fillet. I will select this face and right click, this face, right click, this face, and the part is at this point is complete. Now we will go for other sketch. I will draw a center line from here to somewhere here and give it a dynamic mirror entities. This will show a hash marks here. It means that whatever I draw one side will copy another other side. So I will start with the line like so. I'll go up here and I will hover over this line to get the parallelism. You see the cursor showing the parallel relationship, and that's what I need. And this is not actually mirroring it, so that's why this is the warning. Now let's give it a dimension of 14mm. This is 8mm and this is also 8mm. There are dimension from here to here is 35mm, and from the same point to this point is 75mm. Sketch is fully defined. We are ready to cut. I will cut it through all both. I will check this flip side to cut. This will cut outside my sketch, so I will get what I want. This is what I want and I get it. Now I will go for fillet, and I will select one and select all these of 10 millimeter, like so. Okay, and I will go again for fillet, but this time I will take this line and select these all lines and give it 20 millimeter. On the other side, like this. Okay, we got the fillets. Now I will go for fillet again. This fillet, 2 millimeter fillet, 2. I will select this face and this face. This will capture all the geometry for the fillets I needed. But before that, I will cancel it. I'll first draw the keyway here, which I forgot to draw. So let's draw it now. I will take 3-point rectangle like this. I'll make a center point, midpoint relationship here and give it a dimension of 10 millimeter. And I will, from the front plane to this is 45 degree, and from here I will I'll press shift and select it. It's 40 millimeter. The sketch is fully defined, so let's cut it through both directions. Okay, now I will go for fillets, 2 millimeter fillet. I will select this and this. Okay, this will capture all the geometry. Phase 1 is complete. Only what is left is the material, the AISI 1020 is the material which is given, or let me check what the AISI 1020, yes, this is the material. Now we'll go for phase 2. For phase 2 I will roll up to here and make changes here. I will delete this line and this line. When I try to move it, it will not move because there is a symmetric relation because of dynamic mirror entities I selected. I will delete this. Yes. Okay, now I can move it. Delete this. I can move it now. I will, if I try to move this, it will not, because it is made by there is a good symmetric relation here. So I will use another way, corner trim like this, and I'll exit out of it and delete this one also. And once again I will take corner trim and this and this. Okay, but let me define the first. This is vertical and this is also vertical. The sketch is fully defined. I will exit out of it. This is the phase 2. Let's see what happened with the fillets. The fillet is having problems. More edges, some edges are missing. I will give it this and select OK. And I will go for another fillet. There is a problem here also. Fillet is missing 4 edges. I will select OK. Close. 20 millimeter. Okay, that's done. I'll look at extrude, and finally the fillets. I will give the fillet a color to distinguish that these are the fillets, and we have made all kind of fillets we need. So this was the part I made. I hope you like it. Some people may learn something. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. I need your subscription. Thanks for watching.